Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find all the seashells location to unlock the crown and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. The first location is here on the table. Okay, this one. And then you're going to pick it up and go to the secret room. The secret room is here. You just need to jump. You can keep jumping until you can enter it and place the seashell here. Okay, and go back to the lobby. And I'm going to show you the second location right here, guys, nearby the lantern. You can pick it up and then again go to the secret room. Then place the second seashell. Okay, and then again go back to the lobby and you're going to find the third seashell. So the third location is on the beach right here nearby the rock, and then I'm going to go back to the secret room and place the third seashell. Then you gotta wait for about 5 minutes to craft, and after that you will be able to unlock the seashell crown. Okay, this is how the seashell crown looks like. That's so gorgeous. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.